What's up, guys? Welcome back to fishoverchickswoodworking. My name is Peter, and today we're building a makeshift workshop. So like I said a few videos ago, I'm in Tennessee for the next 2 weeks, visiting some friends, but I want to be able to still build stuff, help them out with some projects around here, and just keep making videos for you guys. So we gotta have a workspace. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is build a workspace. As you see right there, I've got a sheet of plywood there. I've got 5 2x6s on the ground behind me. This piece of wall nut right here, that's for another project that I will be doing once I get the workspace built. I brought with me my miter saw, and then I've got my planer and my table saw, and I've just got, my router, my drills, my impact driver. Basically, anything I could fit, I brought. I wanted to keep it under $100 for this makeshift workspace area. So we're building what we can with the little wood that we have. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the 2x6s and I'm gonna cut them down to 2 pieces that are 30 inches long, because that's gonna be the legs. That's gonna be how tall my structure actually is. And then we're gonna take those pieces to the table saw and rip them in half, so essentially I'll have 2x3s. I'm not exactly sure how big I want this table to be, like how wide and long, but I'm thinking maybe somewhere around 4x4. I think that'll be enough. So we'll get the supports cut after that and decide how long I want those. Okay, so I've decided what I want to do here. So the top is gonna be 4 feet long by like a little bit more than 4 feet wide. It doesn't have to be perfect. The reason I don't know that exact measurement, I can figure it out. I just don't want to do the math right now. It's because I'm gonna cut 8 support pieces that are 48 inches long. So obviously when I put all 48-inch pieces together, when I do a butt joint to those, it's gonna end up being 1.5 inches longer on each side of one. So I guess that'll make the top 51 inches long by 48 inches wide. And the 51 is because that way I can just cut all 8 support pieces down to 48 inches. So that'll be easier. So I'm cutting 8 pieces down to 48 inches long by 2.75 inches wide by 1.5 inch thick, which is the thickness of the 2x6 already. So let's go do that. Okay, so I've got the saw on the ground. It's the safest thing I can think of if I'm on my knees cutting. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm ripping down both these pieces to 2.5 inches. I hate the circuit breaker. This might be harder than I thought. We're back. Turned off a few lights, unplugged a few things. I don't think we'll trip it now, but it's always an adventure, right?
Commencing super fast Peter building montage.
All right, so I built the frame. Now it's just time to flip it over, get the top on, and screw it down. All right, so I built it. It is nothing fancy, but it'll do. It's sturdy, and yeah, I like it. So now I'm gonna work on the smaller section for the table saw. All right, guys, so I actually did not end up using the excess wood for anything else. I decided that this workbench was gonna be just fine the way it is. I don't think I need anything for the table saw or anything like that, so workbench, good the way it is, gonna leave it like this. I think it came out really great, fun build, easy build. You know, it's fun to make bigger projects every now and then, so I really enjoyed this. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below any other videos you'd like me and John to make, and we'd be happy to make them. But until next time, thanks for watching.